Hello students, today we are going to start class 3rd, subject EVS, chapter 9, means of transportation. The movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transportation. People are going one place to another place, so we call this transportation. Different way to traveling to place are called modes of transport. So we all are traveling in a different way. Some are traveling in a aeroplane, some are going with a cruise, some are traveling with scooty, some are traveling with car, some are traveling with train, bus. So the way of different transports. People travel from one place to another for different reasons. We travel to school, to the market, to the office to visit our relatives and for many other reasons. Sometimes people like to travel to far off places during the holidays and to visit new places. History of transport. Thousands of years ago, early humans walked from place to place in search of food and shelter. They used animals to carry their load. In thousand years ago, the humans are traveling by animals. Animals are carrying their loads. Early humans noticed that round objects such as a log of wood rolled easily. They could be moved even with a small effort. Prefer they slice a tree trunk, made holes and use them as fresh wheels. They probably made a cart with two even pieces of wood. Now their carts moved easily. Inventions of wheel changed the entire scenario of transportations. When wheel was invented, people were able to transport one place to another easily. Modes of transport. Our selection of mode of transport depends on two things. First, distance to be traveled, availability of time. Based on these three modes of transport are land transport, water transport and air transport. First we will learn about land transport. Land transport is of two kinds. Land transport is of two kinds. First is road transport and the second one is rail transport. First, road transport. Trucks, buses, cars, scooters, rickshaws, cycles, bullock carts, horse pulled carriages run on the roads made on land. Hence, they are called rail transport. Trains runs on railway lines. Hence, they are called rail transport. Trains are the cheapest and fastest means. They can carry many people at a time. They call trains metro trains, long distance trains and goods trains. There are some high speed trains also. You can see over here the good trains, metro trains, high speed trains, local trains and long distance trains. Now, apart from this, special means of transport are used at certain places where regular vehicles cannot be used. For instance, elephants are used to travel through thick forest in hot deserts. Camels are used for transport. Animals in thick forest and camel in hot desert. Now water transport. Modes of transport which run on water are called water transport. This include ordinary boats, steamers, ships, etc. These are one of the oldest means of transport. Ships take comparatively more time to reach their destinations. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. Bulky goods are mostly sent by water transport, the place where ships load and unload passengers and goods is called a port or a harbor. A ferry, submariner, a ship, passenger ship. Okay. A ferry carries a few people across a river. Cars and buses can load it onto a ferry. Now, submariner. A submariner travels under water. Now, passenger ship. A passenger ship can carry thousands of people from one destination to the other. Now, air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport, but it is an expensive mode of travel. First, aeroplane. Aeroplanes can go very fast and carry little hundreds of passengers at a time. They also carry letters and parcels. The place from where an aeroplane takes off and lands in is known as airport. Now, helicopter. Helicopter service is available only at some place. They are mostly used by people in high mountains. They can carry a few persons only. A helicopter takes off from a helipad. Now, public and private transport. First, private transport. Vehicles owned by a person are called private vehicles or private transport. Vehicles like scooter, motorcycle, car, etc. are private vehicles. Now, public transport. Vehicles in which any person can travel by paying and fare are called public transport. Bus, train, metro, aeroplane, etc. are means of public transport. So, we have finished chapter 9, means of transportation. You have to read this chapter twice at your home. In our next class, we will do the exercise and the question answers. Thank you.